Hello and welcome to this video about electrician work in Portugal. Electricians play a vital role in ensuring that homes, businesses, and industries have the necessary electrical power and lighting to function properly. In Portugal, electricians are in high demand due to the country's growing economy and construction industry. To become an electrician in Portugal, you'll need to complete a technical degree or vocational training program in electrical installation and maintenance. These programs typically last 3 to 4 years and provide students with the practical skills and knowledge they need to work as electricians. Once you've completed your training, you'll need to obtain a professional license from the Portuguese Electrical and Electronic Engineers Order, OE. This process involves passing a written and practical exam, as well as demonstrating your knowledge of Portuguese electrical codes and regulations. Electricians in Portugal typically work in a variety of settings, including residential, commercial, and industrial. They may also work in the public sector, providing electrical services to schools, hospitals, and other government buildings. On a daily basis, electricians in Portugal are responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical systems. This can involve tasks such as installing electrical wiring, circuits, and lighting fixtures, as well as testing and troubleshooting electrical issues. Electricians may also be responsible for inspecting and maintaining electrical equipment, such as generators and transformers. In addition to technical skills, electricians in Portugal must have strong problem-solving abilities and attention to detail. They must be able to work safely, following all necessary safety protocols and procedures. The work environment for electricians in Portugal can be physically demanding, as they may be required to work in confined spaces or at heights. Electricians may also work outdoors in a variety of weather conditions. Overall, electrician work in Portugal is a rewarding and essential profession that plays a vital role in the country's infrastructure and economy. If you're interested in a career as an electrician in Portugal, be sure to complete the necessary education and training